who are planning to join Placewit, being inspired from you, or who are just getting started with their coding journey, any advice that you will give to your younger self or to your juniors who are looking forward to this path?
First thing is like don't panic. We generally panic when we try to solve the problem which contain many concepts altogether. So just
Yeah.
as I said before, like if you are learning priority queue, then first solve the question which contain only the basic implementation of that. And
Yeah.
so main focus on increasing your like problem level gradually. And second thing is contests are important. And third thing is projects you can like projects are good to go, like main focus is BSI in my case.